Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off Google Authenticator app from your Instagram account if you have used Google Authenticator app as your two-factor authentication or Authenticator app as your two-factor authentication. So to start, on your computer, you click on any browser of your choice. In the address bar, you input Instagram website, then you log in with your Instagram username and password. That you click on login, you got a pop-up message to input a confirmation. Because we have enabled two-factor authentication using Authenticator app on our Instagram account, first you need to open Google Authenticator app, install on your phone. So this is my phone. So to install Google Authenticator app on your phone, first you need to install from a Play Store. Then you link your Google Authenticator app with your Instagram accounts. So I open Google Authenticator app. Then I input the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator app as my confirmation to help me to turn off or remove Authenticator app enable on my Instagram accounts. So I input the 6-digit code. Again, you can copy it and paste it. Then you click on confirm. You confirm your login. Accessing your Instagram web portal. So to disable or turn off Authenticator app for your Instagram account, first go to more, go to settings, then you scroll through, then you click on privacy and security, then you scroll through to find two-factor authentication, then you click on edit two-factor authentication. So you and take the arrow. This will turn off two-factor authentication or turn off Authenticator app for your Instagram accounts. I've turned off Google Authenticator app for my Instagram account. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update anytime we upload new video. Thank you.